Okay, I thought I'd make a quick little video here about tasks because I know, Eric, that you brought that up, that there was some file dropping, those types of things that you might want to do in this platform. So I thought I'd show you how we do that. So we do have, I'm in the What's Going On group, and we do have tasks turned on. So I'm just going to, right here in the Create Content, click on Task. And when my task comes up, I'm going to give it a name for something. So in this case, it's fill out the internship checklist. To apologize for my slow typing. And then here we would give them instructions for something we wanted them to accomplish. Please fill out the checklist and return by, and let's give them December 24th. So I'll just go with that simple part. We could put in as much as we needed to or as little as we needed to in that window. And of course we always try and tag what we're doing, so I will give it an internship tag. And I'll go with that right now. Now, if we wanted to link this to optional resources, say we had a Google Doc or something like that we wanted to do, we could easily do that, and we could add something right there. We could also add multiple items, so we could have plenty of resources for people to access. Now, we want to give it the due date, so let's go ahead and click in the box. Up pops the calendar, and we'll say we want it in by the 24th, and we'll give them 11:55 p.m., so essentially by midnight on that night. And now, if we want them to turn that in, we do have a file drop node, so we can go ahead and check that box, and that will give us the file drop node to be able to turn in. And let's do a publish now, and I will leave this as a notification to group members and include it in the stream, so you will see this probably before I put the video up. All right, and we see in the stream that we do have the checklist, the task assigned, and when I click on it, I come in and I see the task, and I can mark it whether it's complete or not, and I can upload a file here directly to that. So let's go choose a file. And there's a career pathways handout, which has to do with this task, and now I can finish that. So let's upload that file. And we see the file is uploaded. We get some notifications here at the top that we've done that, and we've completed, since we've turned in the only file that we had listed there. And if I wanted to, I could delete that and come back and upload something different. So let's go see how that looks in the window. Alright, so that's what we see right now. So we don't see a whole lot to give us any information, but what we can do is add the little task widget to our group, and then we can see what's going on within that task widget. So I'll do that really quickly. Click Customize Page, and right here is our tasks. And I kind of like this task by month, and I will drag it over, and let's move it down here and put it probably under the Create Content. And there we go. So we have our tasks listed, and save that change. And we get another notification that we have made a change. And we come up and we see that, and we see there's one task for December, and there's that task. So the last thing we could check, well, it doesn't have to be the last thing, but the last thing I'm going to check here is I'm going to look at the status. So that task was assigned to everybody in the group. And as you can see, since I did mine, then I have completed, but everybody else hasn't completed. So that gives you a status on what's going on with that particular task. Thanks for watching.